Tell you what, though, I think Fiji, they just go and try and absolutely bend some blokes in half. Like,
Which they do.
Which they
did
can.
you see a couple of those shots on the weekend against Scotland? Like, they were icing blokes, folding them like camp chairs, like you used to do.
Were you
What, fold like a camp chair?
No, like you used to fold others like camp chairs, you know?
Were you thinking about that before you'd run out against Fiji? Were you thinking some bloke is just going to end me?
Gotta
Yeah,
skewer me.
you
Yeah.
do.
100%.
You can't not think about it. They are granite,
Yeah.
those blokes. Like,
Oh, mate, you could name any one of them that are playing there, they'd fold me in half.
Oh, yeah. Oh, like origami, you would. You show no resistance.
I was going to say, I was at Castaway a couple of months ago, and family suite was at Castaway, and even shaking hands with the guys who just work behind the bar. He's like, "Hey, you bastard!" They go, and all he's doing is serving Mai Tais. You think they're born hard, aren't they?
Hard, son.
They're just it's so deceiving because they're so nice, so friendly,
what it is,
and then
mate.
they just
You can't
fold
trust
you.
them.
What happens once they get over that white line? They just go,
Mate, they smoke you and then turn up, like, get back up, and they got the biggest smile, and you're like,
Yeah.
I know, right? They try to get me involved in this little island game they do on Saturdays. I said, no, thank you.
Yeah.
Go away.